Dubai Marina is an affluent residential neighborhood known for the beach at JBR, a leisure complex with alfresco dining and sandy stretches to relax on. Smart cafes and pop-up craft markets for line waterside promenade, Dubai Marina Walk, while Dubai Mall is packed with chain and luxury fashion brands. Upscale yacht cruise through the large man-made marina where activities range from jet skiing to skydiving. Dubai Marina is famous for its luxurious lifestyle, entertainment options, shopping malls, luxury skyscrapers, offering some of the most magnificent views of its residents. Just across the road behind JBR, Dubai Marina is a waterfront city. The emerald green waters framed by some of the tallest, not to mention some of the most architecturally impressive residential towers in the world.